In this video, you'll learn how to create a clean and modern tab system, fully functional, smooth, and built entirely with HTML and CSS. No JavaScript, no frameworks, just simple logic and smart styling. Let's see how to switch between sections with a seamless transition that feels effortless. Tabs are one of the most practical and elegant ways to organize content on a web page. Instead of showing everything at once and overwhelming the user, tabs allow you to separate information into clean, manageable sections. With just a simple click, or in this case, a radio button toggle, the user can instantly switch between different parts of the interface, like Home, Profile, or Settings, without ever leaving the page. What makes this approach special is that it's built entirely with HTML and CSS. No JavaScript, no complicated scripts, just pure structure and styling. The secret lies in the combination of radio buttons and labels. Each label acts like a tab, and when it's selected, CSS reveals the matching content section. It's simple, efficient, and surprisingly powerful. This kind of design is perfect for dashboards, personal portfolios, or web applications where you need multiple views but still want everything to feel fast and lightweight. It's also great practice for understanding how to think in terms of states and interactions, concepts that apply far beyond just CSS. Another great thing about pure CSS tabs is accessibility and performance. They load instantly, require no external dependencies, and can be customized in endless ways. Colors, animations, transitions, even icons. With a few small adjustments, you can make them fully responsive and integrate them into any project. By mastering small but powerful UI components like this, you're not just learning how to code layouts. You're learning how to build smooth, user-friendly experiences that people actually enjoy using. So let's dive in and see exactly how these tabs come to life. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.